In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock PayPal account. It's a very useful skill to know, whether you've accidentally blocked someone in the past or simply need to re-enable interactions after resolving an issue. Unblocking a contact on PayPal is a straightforward process, giving you full control over who can send you money and engage with your account. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you understand exactly what to do. Let's get started. First, you'll need to ensure you're logged into your PayPal account. Once you're successfully on your main PayPal dashboard or homepage, we'll navigate to the section where you manage your contacts and recent transfers. Look for the Send Again section, which typically displays a list of your most recent recipients. Directly beside this area, you'll find an icon with 3 small dots. These dots might be arranged either horizontally or vertically, and they consistently indicate more options within the interface. This is your first crucial click to access further settings. Go ahead and click on these 3 dotted lines to open up a drop-down menu that reveals additional actions related to your contact management. Once you've clicked on those 3 dots, a new menu will appear on your screen, presenting you with several different options. Among these, you're looking for one specific entry that is key to our goal: View Blocked Contacts. This option is precisely what you need to see a comprehensive list of all the individuals or accounts you have previously chosen to block within your PayPal system. Selecting it will allow you to review and manage these restrictions effectively. Remember, blocking a contact prevents them from interacting with you, so choosing View Blocked Contacts is the direct route to reversing that decision. Click on View Blocked Contacts to proceed to the next screen. After selecting View Blocked Contacts, you'll be taken to a new page that clearly displays your entire list of blocked contacts. Take a moment to carefully scan this list to find the specific person or entity you wish to unblock. Once you've successfully located them in the list, simply click on their entry. This action will either highlight their name or bring up a small panel with specific options related to that particular contact. You will then see a distinct Unblock button or a link associated with that contact. Go ahead and click this Unblock option. PayPal will usually ask for a confirmation to ensure you genuinely intend to perform this action, so be sure to confirm your decision when prompted. Once confirmed, that contact will be successfully removed from your blocked list. This means they can now send you payments, appear in your searches, and interact with you on PayPal just as they could before they were ever blocked. This process is completely reversible, so you always maintain full flexibility. And there you have it. You've successfully unblocked a contact on your PayPal account.